So we are in the midst of a very volatile time for crypto right here, right now. Okay. So whatever metaphor you want to use, rough seas, roller coaster ride, the ups and the downs, whatever helps you, then so be it. But right here, right now, this is a situation playing out that we've got a lot of factors at play. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. Okay. I'm going to tell you what to expect for today, tomorrow, Thursday, and the fallout from that. All right. So we've got a lot of factors at play, and I want to make you up to date on what is going on. Okay. So right now, crypto has fallen below that $1 trillion market cap. Okay. It's down about 4.5% right this second. Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge of a move down. You can see that Bitcoin is at really close to its 24-hour low. I fully expect Bitcoin to flow below 20,000 today and into tomorrow. I expect it to get back down into the teens, and I expect Ethereum to do something very similar. So Ethereum is at 1384. You can see that it's right there at its 24-hour low. I expect it to continue to drop and possibly drop below 1,000 as well. Here is why. Right here, right now, today begins the Federal Reserve meeting. Today and tomorrow, the Fed is going to be meeting to discuss and ultimately raise the base interest rate. Okay, now this is in a direct corollary relationship to the CPI inflation data report that we had come out about a week and a half ago, where we got a surprise. We had a 1.3% increase in that CPI inflation data report. We weren't expecting that big of an increase, and it was a pretty significant surprise. So you can expect the Fed to be raising the rate today. The question is how much, okay? So if the Fed raises it 75 basis points, which is in line with what we're expecting them to raise it, I think you can expect the crypto market to do what I call knee-jerk reaction, move down a little bit more, but then probably eat that dip and come back from that, okay? Because basically a 75 basis point raise from the Fed is pretty much already kind of built into the number. Said a different way, we're all really expecting that to be the number. Here's the question. If they raise it 100 basis points, if the Fed raises the base interest rate 100 basis points, that will be a pretty negative, big catalyst that's going to impact the stock market and impact crypto. And you could see this move down dramatically like that. Okay, so keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on the Fed. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, like the video, etc., because I'll be bringing you information right as it's breaking. I'll be telling you what is going on. Okay, so that's today. That's why I expect to continue to see Bitcoin and Ethereum roll down and move down in this volatile market right now because of the Fed and things like that. Now, Thursday, we've got the GDP report, okay, coming out. So that is another big, huge catalyst out there of what is going to happen, not going to happen. And if that number surprises and or doesn't look good, you've got another big, huge catalyst happening there, okay? So Thursday. Also, even if you're not invested in stocks or you don't care about stocks, I want to show you this, okay? So I use finance.yahoo all the time. It's just what I've used forever. To me, again, I'm not even paid by them or anything like this. This is what I used for me. This is a really, in my opinion, one of the kind of the better, just kind of overall glimpses, everything like this. But what you have going on in the stock market that does impact crypto from an overall kind of fear and doubt scenario is you got major companies missing their earnings. Walmart has warned on profits, okay? Actually, Coke raises forecasts as inflation doesn't dent demand. So Coke's doing okay. But, McDonald's earnings beat, global sales jumped 10%. So Coke, McDonald's, those are doing good. But there's a lot of businesses that are missing their numbers. Netflix, a lot of retail. Obviously, we kind of knew that. My point to you is that earnings seasons, we are in the middle of earnings seasons. Aaron's, big, huge, retail business there. But we have a lot of missed earnings reports coming out. Now, Alphabet, which is Google, Microsoft earnings are due. My point to you is we've got earnings coming out. We're in the middle of earnings seasons as well. So we got a lot of things happening. And what happens in stocks right now does bleed over into crypto. Okay. So let me check what's the fear and greed index. Let me refresh this. So yeah, we've dropped a little bit back down to a 26. So yesterday we were at a 30, etc. So we are in the middle of this rough, rocky patch, if you will, But at the end of the day, keep your eye on things. Subscribe to the channel. I'm here for you, and I'm watching everything for you. I'll see you. Go make some money. Strap in. Here we go. Bye.